Good morning.
Right now it's about 7:30 in the morning. We just woke up and we're gonna head downstairs to go get some breakfast, see what that's all about. And after breakfast, we're gonna head to.
I'm gonna go to Manuel Antonio today. Check that out. It's supposed to be like a nice little tour, kind of mountain areas, right around the beach front. You know, just check that out. Just kind of get out and explore. Go do some things. Get lost. You got omelet right here with some potatoes and 3 pancakes topped over with some fresh fruit, and yogurt, and some maple syrup. And these are called like some house juices. I don't know exactly what's in it, but it's pretty good. You happy to eat?
The stadium is part of the road. When we take a left here, it's different. We continue going to the same road to the airport. That's because you see the stadium.
Yeah.
But right now we're going to take a highway here. We go straight to the beach. We need to pay tolls, but go easy. And the stadium is on the main enter and exit to San Jose. He give you an intro.
One drink to drink.
You like? Very fresh.
I never tried fresh coconut. It's really fresh.
After you drink another or something, you take one of those in the morning. You feel better the rest of the day.
At this little market, and we just stopped to get like some fresh coconut.
Fancy area are, the rich people living around this area.
Okay.
On the left side, you see all the rich and nice houses. Like on the right side is the popular people.
So I guess this is where they have like a whole bunch of little crocodiles at. Well, probably not little, but he said they're pretty huge. So this is like the river where you can usually see them at. Got a few people over here already. A few people walking. Hopefully we see some. Oh shit.
Currently at this crocodile site. This is where all the crocodiles be.
So we're making it into Manuel Antonio National Park, where you see, I guess, like monkeys, toucans. That's what you hear right now. Just a few other little things with wildlife.
We're about to take a trail. I don't know what trail we're gonna take. They have a sloth trail. They have a monkey trail, and here.
They have all type of things, all type of trails.
And then it leads to the beach. So after we're done with the hike or whatever, seeing the animals and stuff, we're gonna be on the beach.
Monkey just crawling down.
Oh, I see it. Prices. So it was the monkeys, the howler monkey or Congo. That's the one that we.
That's the one we seen. Remember? That
Yeah.
was the one that was in the tree. The beach here. Just leaving the beach, man. Just taking it all in. So beautiful.
And then the birds you hear right now. Actually, we are in this area. So if you hear the birds, that's what that is. we can get it. There it goes.
You hear the other one he communicating with? Watch.
They up in here having conversations and stuff. But yeah, man, we're just enjoying this, walking.
That is a nice butterfly right there.
Guys, look at this butterfly. It's so pretty. All right, now back to what you were saying.
Yeah, you guys seen a monkey, an iguana, the back of a sloth,
A rainbow lizard.
a rainbow grasshopper.
A rainbow grasshopper. That's what it was. We keep seeing some crazy stuff in here, though. It's quite interesting.
Oh, and the ants.
Oh, the little
tree. Oh,
army of ants.
Let's keep on walking.
Oh, it got louder.
And the shit out of me. I was just walking in the thing and shit. And look at that. Look at the crabs.
A lot of wild crabs. Something flew on my fucking finger.
Oh, she hurry up and threw it because something flew on her finger. Wow. Wow. Oh, boy. He looking like, oh, shit. So after leaving Manuel Antonio, I had to make a quick stop in Akko for some things I couldn't find in the city. And my man just so happened to know a spot.
Yeah.
This side is the Cuban side, and this side is the Costa Rican side.
Everything made in Costa Rica.
So you can see Jocko cigar mart.
Fucking.
Wow. We up in the clouds.
Cocinando buenos mariscos, es una comida del mar. Para la gente que sí sabe, que eso da para mucho más, ay, para mucho más. De cualquier malla sale un ratón, de cualquier malla sale un ratón, de cualquier malla, dímelo papá, sale un ratón, oye, de cualquier malla.